Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to the Soulpreneur channel where sacred vision meets grounded strategy. I'm Selena Elamoon, the founder of the Soulpreneur Institute, and every week I share guidance to help you turn your intuitive wisdom into tangible results without losing the magic. Today's topic is one I know brings up so much resistance: how to sell from the heart without feeling pushy, manipulative, or out of alignment. Let's reframe sales as a sacred invitation, not something to be ashamed of. If the word sales makes your stomach twist or your throat tighten, you're not alone. So many soulpreneurs equate selling with pressure, manipulation, or performance. But that's not what sacred sales are. Sacred sales are an act of love. They are an energetic offering, a doorway for someone to step into transformation. You're not convincing people. You're inviting the right ones into alignment. This is the key. You're not selling yourself. You're offering a path, a transformation, a shift, a container that supports their growth. Let's talk about how to approach selling from a soul-led place. First, lead with service, not script. Before every sales conversation, ask, how can I serve this soul in front of me, whether or not they buy? Let your presence be the offer first. Trust that clarity leads to conversion. Second, root into the transformation. What happens when someone says yes to your work? Speak to that, not just the features, but the feeling, the relief, the freedom, the breakthroughs. You're not selling a program, you're opening a portal. And finally, detach from outcomes and stay devoted to your impact. Not every no is a rejection. Sometimes it's a sacred delay. You're not here to beg, chase, or convince. You're here to align, offer, and trust. When you sell with soul, something powerful happens. Your business becomes a spiritual practice. Your invitations carry frequency, and the people who are meant to say yes, they feel that. If this video gave you a breakthrough, insight, or even just a breath of clarity, make sure you hit subscribe, because I'm here every week with tools to help you grow a business that feels as good as it looks. And if you're ready for deeper guidance and hands-on support to build a soul-led, sustainable business, come join us at the Soulpreneur Institute. We're a global community of heart-centered leaders, and we would love to walk this journey with you. You can learn more at www.soulpreneurinstitute.com.